that's going to do it for our review of Knowing, but that's not going to do it for the episode just yet, because we still need to bring it back next week. So Heath, tell us, what's on deck?
The Lion of Judah.
Oh, something tells me that's not going to sneak its Christianity in quite to the same degree.
I believe it's fairly overt in its Christianity, and I believe it's animated.
Oh, awesome. All right.
Lion cartoons.
Awesome. All right, so with a cartoon to look forward to, we're going to bring episode 356 to a merciful close. Obviously, I need to thank Marshall for helping us out this week, and I need to remind you to check the show notes for
No way you had a green arrow. Or even a yellow one.
company looking into what we did, because we can trust that. We don't trust you because you created this problem. But again, they spoke up. It
What are you doing?
easy, but they made some real things come to light, and hopefully they'll lead
You
to
can't
some
turn
change
left.
in that denomination. CFI, the leaders of CFI, seem so afraid of that criticism that they are not addressing what any of the critics are saying. They're just saying that the critics are wrong.
Bus is like, fucking go.
Yeah, I know.
I love to see it. Whenever I see cars double parked and I see a bus coming up, I'm like, ram them out of the way, ram them out of the way.
Right.
I would pay to see that.
And now at 55.
Yeah, no, because I'm right after businesses, so that's what we do. So, okay, so the kid goes to bed. Nick Cage goes downstairs to drink himself into oblivion, right? This is one
What
of
are you
the places
doing?
where they get pulled.
Bike lane's over there.
First of all, he pulls basically
fuck?
half a pint of whiskey, which is not bad between whiskey. Takes a single sip of it and then tops it back up. It's not how heavy, it's not about how much you put in the glass, it's about how much from the glass goes into you typically when it comes to Christian Grandma's service. Literally included the pastor giving out the address to his church along with basic directions. I tamped down my frustration by reminding myself that as tactless as it was, it's exactly what she would have wanted. Right? She would have wanted any filthy atheist that attended her funeral to be confronted with a bunch of Jesus bullshit.
That's why when a person next to you stop, you stop.
Religious. That I feel like they're
Maybe
Madison Cawthorn is not going to be in Congress.
listen.
That's us story.
Wow.
Excellent news. See, good things are happening all
Wow,
over the place.
going up
especially
the
that
wrong
one
way.
It could be worse.
Oh my god. That
Oh.
and that.
Yeah.
Every weekend, people park here in this entire bike lane row, and I've never seen it.
yeah,
I've
yeah.
never seen any of them get tickets.
Yeah, that's
It's so. Ugh. Flip. Good job blocking the bike lane. If only there was parking somewhere outside of the bike lane.
Yeah,
Yep.
I have to go to
Scooter going the wrong way. That's safe. You see those cones over there?
Yeah.
Interfering between the bike lane and the traffic lane. Somebody put those there.
Oh, really?
That person being me.
No way.
No, I'm 100% serious.
Really?
I
Oh,
put those
nice.
there months ago because ride shares and mostly like Uber Eats drivers would park there
Yeah.
all day.
Oh.
Does it say walk? And I don't cycle as much as I used to, but like I always have the safety of everybody in mind. So like if cars are parked in the bike lane, not only are you just not allowed to do that, it makes it more dangerous for the bikes and scooters to get around, because then they have to go into traffic. or get on the sidewalk and run over pedestrians.
I mean, once like one kind of group of people are in danger.
Our universe is doomed! Doomed!
There's nothing wrong with her, and he's just like,
Look, if I save a life,
oh, go walk that
I
way.
might fuck it up.
Right, yeah, fuck the
I gotta
numbers.
get 80 wrong exactly, or else my number space wrong.
I can't be the only one who could not stop laughing when a half dozen of people, completely fine, walked out the wreckage of the crash plane, sort of ran away from it.
Do
and
something.
Then that wreckage exploded and killed them all in one go. I can't be the one who laughed.
Park.
And Casey's like, oh, nice. I thought they were gonna have a
Park.
Okay.
Yeah, like a strike. He's like, oh, that counts. That's like a
That's
strike.
not how you park. Go in. How hard is it to park? That. No. Expert parallel parker. Very good.
What is the plaintiff alleging? If it's potentially covered, even if it winds up not being covered, you still have the right to a defense provided by the insurance company. That's what
Cyclist
you
with a
pay
death
for
wish.
in your policy.
Fucking idiot. Oh my god. What are you doing, Prius? What are you doing? Why can nobody make a decision about what lane to be in? Oh, I'll go this way. I'll go this way. I'll go that way. I can't make up my mind. Oh my god. Wow. You're in the bike lane, asshole. That's not a bike.
Never have considered before is that like I was a lit major, and I had to take
God.
4 seconds classes and I took but in hindsight, like when you're studying lit, especially like 19th, 20th century literature, you sort of study it alongside the scientific advancements that were happening in literature at the time, and so like even though I was a lit major and learned only took I think one.
You're parked in the street.
Courses that
I'm
I don't really
answering a phone call because you can just blow them out. See the two blinkers, that's called hazard.
That doesn't mean you can park anywhere you want. Are you-
Are you trying to park right there?
No.
Even if they're not studying something.
How about you move?
Like, you know, for BS, yeah, you just kind of understand more like how science works and its advancements and all that.
That's
stuff.
kind of the thing.
Why
that
can't
I
you park
think
right there?
manipulation is too.
I'm not
Like,
trying to
once
park
you
on
actually understand the process and that this isn't scientists'
Right. Like there's a process. We can back this up. And once you learn how
Bought a computer, which I didn't have at the time, and taught myself video editing.
That's really cool.
Yeah. This is a great place to park.
See? You're already being this whole TCL.
Great parking spot.
Thank you.
Like, you just give him a fucking firm. Yeah, don't have to make a big deal about how he doesn't have a firm, and then invent a nonsense way to give him a firm in the first 11 minutes when he's got a firm.
The judge might as well have been like, left you his
Go. Oh. Guy just pulled his bumper off the road.
Oh, jeez.
That blue Prius. Shit. And of course, this guy's trying to get into that alleyway. Great. And this asshole's gonna park in a bike lane. Fuck your face. There's more chaos than is needed. I mean, I drove like 9 or 10 hours and made like almost 350. So
That's a long
that was
time.
pretty good. Yeah. I'm sorry. Does it say walk?
You're fine.
I love the pettiness.
So I do all day.
It's great. I love it. I do it at work all the time. So I work at
Diabetes.
and people come by and they'll touch all our merchandise, like all the cups we're using, and then we'll just take it off and throw it in the trash in front of them. I think it's,
Thanks for touching that.
Yeah. It's wonderful.
Why did that guy go? What the hell?
Driving's a difficult task.
Yes. Gotta obey road markings and signs and lights. Like I don't know how anybody does it. It's so difficult. Like what's this green mean? Who knows?
No, you missed it. Someone
That?
almost got hit right before you picked us up.
Oh shit. At that intersection right
Yeah.
there? Oh, I believe it. I've seen so many like straight like T-bone accidents right there.
Really?
Yeah. Good job. Oh boy. That looks really safe. Yep. Bike lane, asshole.
Many months later.
Yeah, these are new. Good. Very glad to see it. Yeah, good luck parking there. I'm sure people will still do it. God. Nice parking spot. The red light. Ride in the bike lane, not the sidewalk.